Hey everyone, Jenny here with Terra X. Today I'm going to show you how to install your Navidok Single in your Sprinter van. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take our alcohol wipe and we're going to clean the dash and we're going to clean the Navidok. And if you have waxed your dash or used any kind of cleaner that has a wax in it, you want to just make sure that you get that really clean. We've cleaned ours many times, so I'm just going to wipe that clean. And then on the Navidok, we're going to wipe this area right here. Okay, and then we're going to let the alcohol dry. So you want to wait until the sheen is gone. Once the alcohol is dry, you're going to take your Velcro. We're going to leave it together, and we're going to make it where the loop or the soft side is going to go against the dash, so the hook will go onto the Navidok. So we're going to take that off, and we're going to stick it and try to make it as centered as possible. Okay. And then also we want to make sure that this wedge is level here, like as you see it now, and that it's not sticking up. So once you have everything looking like this, we're going to remove the other side of the Velcro. Okay, now we're going to take it, and you want to, look at it and make sure it's centered or where you would like it. And we're just going to push it on. Okay, now we're going to take the included hex key. We're going to tighten up the bolt, and we're going to turn it clockwise. Turn the bolt clockwise until it's tight. Okay, and now your Navidok is installed, your single. One thing I want to say is that we include the trackball with the Navidok. If you did want to use a C-size ball, so a larger ball for an iPad, for instance, you can just exchange this. So all you do to install the trackball is into this groove, and then you tighten it up. And then you're going to have your double socket arm that you buy separately. And then whatever device holder that you choose. And now you can position this as you want. And there you go, your Navidok Single is installed.